Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine. Today we have learned our fourth chapter more on MS Word 2007. Content introduction, meaning of MS Word, knowing a Word document, using the Word window, working with text heading, formatting, header and footer, insert pictures and tables and close window. Introduction. Microsoft Word is a program called a word processor. Word processor refers to a program in which the user input text which is formatted to create a readable document. Microsoft Word is a part of the Microsoft Office package and has been used for over a decade. Word is a tool that helps you quickly create document with a professional look. Word processor offer you the flexibility to format documents by making changes to the font, the page layout and the page style. Microsoft Word is the most word processing component of the Microsoft Office suite. It is used primarily to enter, edit, format, save, retrieve and print documents. Meaning of MS Word. Word is a word processor which provide various processing and documentation tool. We can type in text and even insert graphics, videos and sound in Word document. In its simplest form, a Word document is a sequence of characters that exist in computer's memory. Using Word, a document can be edited and given a variety of layouts. Once the document has been created, there are a large number of actions that can be carried out, such as saving, printing, or sending the document as an email. Getting started with word processor, you can open Microsoft Word by clicking on the desktop icon or by clicking the start button, and then you choose Microsoft Office, then choose Microsoft Office Word 2007. When you see the cursor blinking, you are ready to type. Otherwise, use your mouse to click anywhere on the white part of the page. The tab. The tools of Microsoft Word are organized under the tabs Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review and View. Word window. First is title bar, second is quick access toolbar, third is ribbon tabs and office tab. Here is window controls, help button, here is view ruler button, vertical scroll and browse button and vertical ruler tab selector. So next is create a new document. There are several ways to create a new document in Word. Open existing document, save document, etc. First click on Microsoft Office button and then click on new or press Ctrl plus N shortcut key. A new document window will appear. Second, select blank document or click on create button. A new blank document will appear. Now start typing your data. Saving a file or document. To save the document, click the save button on the quick access toolbar or click on the office button to the choose save as option. Next is printing your file. To print out your document, click on office button and then click print. This prints one copy of your file using the default settings. When you need to, you can modify the settings of your print job in print dialog box. Copy plus paste. Select, hold down the left mouse button and drag cursor, or hold shift button and use the arrow key on the keyboard. Copy. You can find the copy and paste command under the home tab. Shortcut key of copy is Ctrl C and shortcut key of paste is Ctrl V. Paste. You can also copy and paste by clicking with the right mouse button on a word you can have selected to pull up a shortcut menu. Cut and paste using cut plus paste is like moving text from one location to a new location. The cut command is located in the home tab or in a shortcut menu when you right click on a selected word. I hope you understand all the menus. Thank you and have a nice day.